Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade futures on Moomoo. Trading futures can be a lucrative way to speculate on price movements, but it requires a solid understanding of the markets and the platform. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, you need to open a futures trading account on Moomoo. This involves downloading the Moomoo app, creating an account, and funding it with the required amount. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria and understand the risks involved in futures trading. Once your account is set up, you need to understand the basics of futures trading. A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price on a specific date. You can trade various types of futures contracts, including indices, commodities, and currencies. To place a trade, navigate to the Futures section on the Moomoo app. Select the contract you want to trade, and choose the type of order you want to place. You can choose from market orders, limit orders, or stop orders, depending on your trading strategy. When trading futures, it is essential to manage your risk. Set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses and use position sizing to control the amount of capital you allocate to each trade. You should also stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Moomoo offers various trading tools and features to help you make the most of your futures trading experience. These include real-time market data, technical indicators, and customizable charts. You can also set price alerts and receive notifications when your orders are executed. As a best practice, start with a demo account to practice trading futures with virtual money. This will help you get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real capital. In conclusion, trading futures on Moomoo requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and discipline. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with trading futures and potentially achieve your financial goals. Remember to always manage your risk, stay informed, and continuously learn and improve your trading skills.